before, nag-solve na ta sa pinaagi sa duha ka method. We have by graphing and by substitution. Karon lain na sad nga pamaagi sa pag-solve of sa systems of linear equation. Karon ato ang hisgutan ang by elimination. Unsa man ang elimination? From the word eliminate, meaning wag tangon, tangtangon. So as you have noticed, there are two variables in our example. So the variables are x and y. So kung elimination ang imong gamiton nga method, magpili ka nilang duha ni x or ni y ang imuhang wagtangon or ang imuhang i-eliminate. So unsaon pag-eliminate, ma'am? There are three ways. You can eliminate by addition, you can eliminate by subtraction, or by multiplying a constant. So unsaon man na siya pagbuhat? So let us have number 1. So kung ready na mo, maminaw ta aron makasabot. So number 1, we have two equations, x plus 5y equals 4 and x plus 3y equals 8. Kay elimination man atong gamiton, mangita ta og variable nga ato ang ganahan i-eliminate, ganahan nato tangtangon. So unsa man ang ganahan nimo tangtangon? So kung ako ang imong pangutan-on, ako ang estudyante, ganahan ako tangtangon si x. Di ko ganahan magpabilin si x kay gusto na ko mo-move on. Char. So tangtangon ako si x. Nganong si x man dili man si y. Si x ang masayon tangtangon kay kung imuhang i-observe pareha sila itsura. Wala sila numerical coefficient, so dali ra kaayo siya mahimong 0. So para ma-eliminate siya dapat mahimo silang duha og 0. So unsaon man na? So we are going to write x plus 5y equals 4 and x plus 3y equals 8. So, imo mang i-eliminate si x. So, dapat, kung imong eliminate si x, imo na siya himuong 0 silang duha. So, of course, magamit kag operation para mahimo silang 0. Unsa man nga operation imong gamiton para si x kana silang duha mahimong 0. So you are going to eliminate them. You are going to eliminate x by subtraction. Anong subtraction, ma'am? Dili man addition, dili multiplication, dili division. Subtraction ang best way because when you subtract x minus x, it becomes 0. So you have x minus x. X minus x becomes 0. Then you have 5 minus 5y minus 3y is 2y equals 4 minus 8 is negative 4. We are going to divide both sides by 2. Ma'am, ano na mo man ang negative, ma'am? Si 4, ma'am. Naa kay upat. Kuhaan nimo og 8. For example, na kay kwarta 4. Unya, kuhaan nimo og 8 kay nipalit ka og pan. So makabayad di ay ka. Of course, kulangan pa ka og 4. So man na siya negative, utangan ka. So you have negative 4. So you divide both sides by 2. Y is equal to negative 2. So nanakay value sa imuhang y. Kaya na naman kay value sa imuhang y, of course, dili ta mag-others. No? Pangitaon sa nato si x. To find x, you can use any of the two equations. So I will use equation 1. X plus 5y equals 4. And then I will substitute the value of y, which is negative 2. So x plus 5 times negative 2 equals 4. X minus 10, which is 5 times negative 2 equals 4. By addition, property of equality, you have x is equal to 4 plus 10. X is equal to 14. So you have now your values for x and y. Therefore, the solution set for this system is 14, negative 2. So I hope klaro ra si number 1. Next, we proceed to number 2. So you have your equation 1, which is y equals 2x plus 2, and you have your equation 2, which is 2x plus 3y equals 6. Now, you have noticed they are not the same. First equation is written in slope-intercept form, while equation 2 is written in standard form. How are we going to eliminate? You cannot eliminate directly. You have to rewrite one of the two equations. So, asa man imuhang gusto i-rewrite. So, for me, I will choose to rewrite equation 1. Kaysa yun ra kaayo ang equation 1. So, I will rewrite y is equal to 2x plus 2. Unsaon man na? By addition property of equality. So, you have y is equal to, negative 2x plus y is equal to 2. This is now your new equation number 1. So, you use your new equation 1 so that you can eliminate. So, you have negative 2x plus y is equal to 2. This is your new equation number 1. The rewritten form of y is equal to 2x plus 2, or the standard form of y is equal to 2x plus 2. And then you copy. So this is now your equation 1. And this is 2x plus 3y equals 6 as your equation 2. Ma'am, kinahanglan magyud pareha sila og form? Yes, so that you can eliminate fast and easy. Next, what should we eliminate again? Oh, we choose. Saan na kung eliminate? Ano si x ba or si y? So, which do you think is easier? Of course, it is easier to eliminate 2x. Nga naman, parehas gid sila. Na 2xx. So, ato nang i-eliminate. So, we eliminate. Ano na si x? Ay, per me man na-eliminate. Eliminate nga to si x class para move on na ta. So, we eliminate x by. Unsaon na to para ma-0 si x? Negative ang usa positive. So, unsaon man na para ma-0? So, we eliminate by addition. So, we add. Ato na sila i-add silang duha class. So, we add 2x minus 2x, no more, 0. Y plus 3y is 4y equals 2 plus 6 is 8. Divide both sides by 4. Therefore, y is equal to 2. We have now our value for y. And then you find x. So we find x class. So how do we find x? You use any of the equations. So I will choose equation 2. So 2x plus 3 times 2 equals 6. So 2x is equal to 6 minus 6. Therefore, x is equal to 0. Ano na 0 naman na siya, class? 2x equals 6 minus x is 0. 0, divide both sides by 2. 2x divided by 2 is x. 0 divided by 2 is 0. Therefore, our solution set in this system is, what's our solution set? X is 0, y is 2. So I hope it's very clear. Is it always, all the time, nga x ra ang eliminate? No. Sometimes you have to eliminate y. Sometimes you have to eliminate x. It's a case-to-case basis. So we will continue with example number 3 in the next slide. So we continue with number 3. You have 2x plus 3y equals 6 and x plus 2y equals 4. So this is our equation 1 and our equation 2. So this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. So let us now see asa nga variable atong eliminate. So si x dili pwede. Ano dili man pwede si x? Diri na ay numerical coefficient na 2. Sa second equation wala. So di sila parehas. Let us check y. Si y sa equation 1 na coefficient nga 3. Sa equation 2 na coefficient nga 2. So dili sila pwede. So dili ta maka-eliminate, ma'am. Maka-eliminate gihapon ta. We use we eliminate unsa man pili ka, maka-eliminate gyapon ka. So mopili ka unsa nga variable ang imong i-eliminate. Sa pananglitan ako gusto ko eliminate nako ang y. So I will eliminate y by multiplying a constant. So, pasabot anang multiplying a constant, ma'am. Mangita kog number, duha or usara, constant number nga akong i-multiply sa 2 equations. So, I have 2x plus 3y equals 6 and x plus 2y equals 4. Hinumduman nato nga atong eliminate si y. So, mangita tag number nga atong i-multiply ni y diri o ni y diri nga maparihas. Usara ka number, ma'am? Dili. Duha ka number, pwede ra. Pero pwede ra sad usa ka number. Pero kung dili madala sa usa ka number, like in this case, duha jud imuhang pilion. Unsa man nga number ako i-multiply sa equation 1? Unsa sad nga number ako i-multiply sa equation 2? Now, mangita kag multiple sa 3. So, 3, 6, 9, 12. Then, mangita sa kag multiple sa 4. Sa 2. So, 2, 4, 6. So, asa man sila duha nag-abot sa 6. Unsa ko i-multiply ni 3 para mahimo siyang 6? 2 ako i-multiply. Unsa ko i-multiply sa 2 nga mahimo siyang 6? 3 ang akong i-multiply. Kay 3 times 2, 6. So, after you have found the constant that you will be multiplying to the equation, you will now simplify. So, you have 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times positive 3y is positive 6y. 2 times 6 is 12. So, we are done with equation 1. Ari na ta sa equation 2. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 2x is positive 6y. 3 times 4 is 12. Next, we are now going to eliminate. How to pag-eliminate, class? Saan na pag-eliminate, ma'am? Unsa ganito itong eliminate? Kung timan-an, atong eliminate si 6y or si y atong eliminate. Unsa man na sila? Pareha sila og sign dili. Pareha sila og sign positive. So therefore, para ma-zero siya, we are going to eliminate by unsa man nga operation? Of course, subtraction. No? Kay 6 minus 6, 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. So you will simply write x. 6 minus 6 is 0. So this is no more. Is equal to 12 minus 12 is 0. Therefore, our x is equal to 0. We are done with x. We are going to find y. In finding y, you choose any of the two equations. So I will use equation 1. 2x plus 3y equals 6. X is 0, so 2 times 0 plus 3y equals 6. This is now 0, so 3y is equal to 6. Divide both sides by 3. Y is equal to 2. Therefore, our solution for this system of linear equation is 0, 2. How to find if your answer is correct? So you will do the checking. So how to tell if your answer is correct again? You will do the checking. How to check? Simply substitute. So we have 2x plus 3y. Is it equal to 6? So 2 times x is 0 plus 3 times y is 2. Is it equal to 6? This is 0, so 6 is equal to 6. So it satisfies the first equation. Let's go to the second equation. X plus 2y equals 4. Our x is 0 plus 2 times 2. Is it equal to 4? 4 is actually equal to 4. Since the solution satisfies both equations, therefore, our answer is correct. So, I hope clear na ang tanan. Thank you very much.